There are less than 2 weeks left until Donald Trump vacates the Oval Office. But before that happens, there is a final round of presidential pardons left. It does not seem that unusual. Every U.S. president has issued pardons at the end of their terms. But as the days near, multiple reports are emerging that Donald Trump, the 45th president of the United States, has been asking his aides whether he can pardon himself. Now the question that arises is, can the president issue a self-pardon? Now, this is where it gets complicated. The U.S. Constitution says that a president shall have the power to grant reprieves and pardons for offences against the United States, except in the cases of impeachment. But in addition to that, there is also a prominent legal opinion from the Department of Justice. In 1974, the DOJ had said that the president cannot pardon himself because of what it described as a fundamental rule that no one may be a judge in his own case. But what's to be noted here is that this is just a legal opinion, not a law. Now, presidential self-pardon is untested, and experts are divided on its constitutionality. According to the DOJ memo, the Trump can step down before time and ask Vice President Mike Pence to issue a pardon. However, after the Capitol Hill attacks and the aftermath, that does seem unlikely. A self-pardon could shield Trump from prosecution over a myriad of issues. Throughout his presidency, political opponents have brought many issues to light, all of which are worthy of prosecution. It ranges from his federal income tax filings to obstruction of justice under the Mueller investigation, and last, the most recent, inciting violence that led to the Capitol Hill attacks on Wednesday. But to challenge a self-pardon, the Justice Department has to charge the former president with a crime. Trump has long believed that he has the power to pardon himself. In 2018, during the Mueller investigation, the president tweeted that he had absolute right. Now, as per the law, Trump's pardoning power only extends to federal crimes, meaning that he could not protect himself or his family from legal trouble on the state level. While all presidents issue controversial pardons at the end of their terms, Trump has moved at a faster pace than his predecessors. He has demonstrated little inhibition for rewarding his friends and allies in using one of the most unrestricted powers of his office.
Thank you very much.